Presenting Ella's Bubbles Shower Column Kit for walk-in tubs with deck-mounted faucets. Due to required access to the backside of the tub, this shower column kit needs to be installed prior to final installation of your walk-in tub and can be easily connected to an Ella 2 or 5-piece fast fill faucet set. The shower column kit can easily be added to your walk-in tub deck by removing your existing hand shower, installing the shower column base attachment into the vacant receptacle, replacing the water supply line, and then attaching the new 1/2 inch supply line to the diverter on your 2 or 5-piece fast fill faucet set. The shower column kit features a height adjustable multifunction hand shower that tilts and swivels in several directions. The hand shower detaches easily and is connected to our 2 or 5-piece fast fill faucet sets. Push the diverter button on the 2-piece faucet set or turn the diverter handle on the 5-piece faucet set to enjoy a 5-setting multifunction hand shower. Engage the diverter for the shower head and enjoy the luxury of a large overhead rain shower. Easily height adjustable with a maximum height of approximately 90 inches or a little over 7 feet. There's 14 inches of available height adjustment to bring the shower head down to approximately 76 inches or about 6 feet. The rain shower head pivots and swivels for your maximum comfort and convenience, allowing you to enjoy a standing or seated shower. Give us a call at 800-480-6850 or visit us at ellasbubbles.com.